Okay, so it's about 4 o'clock, April 28th, after the storm came on through. This is the back of the house. We've got a tree. This is a tree that's on our little back porch here. The tree's on the back porch, but fortunately it looks like there's not too much weight on the roof. The roof appears to be intact. I've been inside. There's no water coming in. Here's Oki. Oki did not make it. But the building that Danny and I built made it. And thankfully, the house for the most part survived as well. There's a lot of trees down in the back here. Pretty much every tree is down in the back, but the house survived.